One of the things that I've come to value in my personal EDC the most is a utility blade folder. Now, for most people, you'll probably gravitate towards the Milwaukee line. This one is the 1500, which has, all of these have that push button style, and they are very nice, especially on the job site. And this one has single blade on blade storage, and that's the limit of its function. But it works really well. It's pretty thin, has a nice wire pocket clip, and for construction workers and blue collar workers of any type, this one works pretty well. The more popular of their 4 versions I think they have is going to be their 6-in-1, which has the added functionality of having the liner locked fold out screwdriver, and that is a very nice option. Now, it's a little bit wider than the original, but it does offer a little bit extra functionality, including like a bottle cap lifter. And I've used this for a long time before I switched into a more streamlined version. The one that I carry is the TiRant Razor V3 by Exceed Designs. Now, this is a frame lock titanium version, and I absolutely love this thing. It's so streamlined. In fact, let me bring in that first Milwaukee, and you can kind of see side by side just how much thinner this thing is. It's just it's a nicer utility blade holder, and it's the one that works for me. But it can be pretty cost prohibitive. These things can be stylized. You can add different types of scales to them, different textures. This one is the cheaper version, and it's the version that I actually prefer the most, and this one runs about $80. So I'm always on the lookout for something that is similar but doesn't break the bank. And I may have found something that works for you. So this is the titanium utility knife by WorkPro, and this one is a Chinese manufactured tool, and the titanium is really just the scales. It actually has a stainless steel frame. So let's go ahead and pull this one out here. It comes with the knife, and then I think it's 10 extra blades that come with it. I'm going to set these to the side for the moment. And one thing that we're going to notice right off the start is that it takes a lot of design cues from the Exceed Designs. No other manufacturer that I know of has copied Exceed Designs square pivot bolt here. So, like a lot of Chinese brands, they tend to copy what's popular. Now, I will say that this is a pretty decent knife, and at a price tag of $32, it's a much more affordable option for a lot of people. So this is titanium scaled, like I mentioned before. It has a stainless steel frame, has some anodized aluminum red accents around the knife itself. Comes with a decent pocket clip on it. The pocket clip doesn't quite carry as deeply as what you're going to get with the Exceed Designs. Now, as far as size comparison, this one is about the same width as the Exceed Designs, and as the length is pretty much on par with one another too, but the Exceed Designs is quite a bit narrower width-wise than the WorkPro is. Now, this one, I had a little bit of trouble. I love this one because I love the flipper action. The action on there and then the ball bearings that are within it just work incredibly well. This one had a little bit of trouble flicking it out. It seems to be breaking in fairly nicely though. But you can loosen that if you go in, take off your pocket clip and get to the screw on the bottom. You can adjust that to your liking. Again, this one is liner locked instead of frame locked, but it holds in there pretty well, and it has a really nice snap to it and locks in. I have no back and forth play on it, and the blade retention on there is not perfect, but it's pretty decent, especially for a utility blade holder. Now, what I do like about this one is how easy the operation is for the blade extraction. So what we do is just pick that up, and it's spring loaded. So we just have to move that over. We're going to pull this blade out. We're going to bring in a Linux blade, which fits in there nicely as well. So we're looking off angle here. Hard to see that. So it snaps in there pretty well. Not a bad folder. I definitely prefer mine, the Exceed Designs, the TiRant Razor V3 by Exceed Designs. But again, from a cost perspective, this one is one of the cheaper versions, and it is $80 compared to $32. So you could almost get 3 of these for the price of one of these. I like the way this one carries. It's not quite as strong as what you get with that frame lock, with that liner lock, but it's also not bad. Also, the thumb stud, it could use. I think I probably should pull this one off and dial that in just to make it just a little bit smoother, maybe oil this one up, but it carries very nicely. I do like that there's no protruding fasteners on this one on the front side. On the back side, you do have where the pocket clip is, but when you're putting it in pocket, you're not feeling that. It's smooth along the bottom edge as well. So personally, I think this is a very good option for those that are on a bit more of a budget. It has a lot of design cues from the Exceed designs, and while I wouldn't personally carry this one for myself because I like the original, it might be the right knife for you. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next one.